In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Stape.io account. Stape.io is a powerful platform that many users turn to for server management, and having your account set up correctly is your first step towards harnessing all that potential. Let's dive in and walk through the account creation process together, step by step. First, you want to begin by navigating to the Stape sign-up page. If you're not sure how to get there, simply open your preferred web browser and type in stape.io. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign Up option and go ahead and click on that. This will redirect you to the registration page where you'll start your journey in creating an account. Once on the Sign Up page, the platform will ask you an important question regarding your user's location. You'll need to choose between Global and EU. Now, you might wonder why this matters. Well, selecting the appropriate location is crucial as it allows Stape to set up the right server location for you and ensures compliance with things like GDPR, which mandates stricter data privacy protocols within the European Union. So, make sure to choose the one that best fits your primary operations or user base. After that, you'll have the option to select how you want to sign up. Stape offers two main methods. You can either sign up using your email and create a secure password, or you can streamline the process by using a social login, such as Google or Facebook. Each method has its own benefits. For example, using a social login might save you time if you're already logged into one of those accounts. However, creating a unique email and password might offer you a bit more control and flexibility. Next, it's time to move on to the legal stuff. You'll be required to accept the terms of use and the privacy notice. This step is crucial, as it informs you about what you're agreeing to upon using the platform and how your information will be handled. Stape might also give you the option to opt in for marketing emails, so think about whether you'd like to receive updates or promotional information from them. Finally, complete your registration by confirming your email address. If Stape sends you a verification email, be sure to check your inbox, including the spam or junk folder, just in case. Follow the link in the email to verify your address. This step is essential to activate your account fully. And there you go. By following these steps, you'll have your Stape.io account set up and ready to use, paving your way to streamline and manage your server tasks efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and happy server management.